Hi guys, welcome to my morning routine, and this is how I generally start my mornings. I wake up around 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, yeah. And then I go straight to my bathroom and freshen up. I'm tying my hair up. This is my favorite hairstyle these days. A high bun. It keeps your hair off your neck and doesn't make you sweaty. So now I'm going to brush my teeth. And while I was brushing my teeth, I realized that the mirror was extremely dirty, so decided to clean it up using a wet newspaper. And then I just wiped the mirror with a clean tissue. And as you can see, the mirror is like beautifully clean and clear. Next time, just splashing some water on my face and getting ready for my skincare. And then I straight head out to the kitchen. So weather outside is pretty nice these days. It's monsoon here in Delhi, so it's beautiful outside. So I thought of cleaning the kitchen a little bit before preparing breakfast. Nobody is up, Ginny is sleeping, my husband is sleeping. So I thought I'll make Aloo Ka Paratha today because both of them love Aloo Paratha. So I make my Aloo Paratha without oil, so it's almost like Aloo Ki Roti. So I do not put oil while make paratha, and then I add a bit of butter because I don't drink tea or coffee. And then I watch TV and enjoy my time. Since nobody is up, I can totally watch as long as I want. There are days when I feel lazy and dull and look for products to energize my skin. So two such products are St.Botanica's Brazilian Nutty Coffee Face Mask and Colombian Supremo Coffee Body Scrub. So I wash my face with water and apply an even layer of St.Botanica's Brazilian Nutty Coffee Face Mask. Aroma of the mask is so relaxing and soothing. It deeply cleanses and purifies skin along with adding moisture back. It hydrates, tones and balances the skin, making it radiant and smooth. So I leave this coffee mask on my face for good 8 to 10 minutes, and it doesn't dry completely and stays creamy, which is what I really like about this mask. It doesn't make my skin dry at all. I love using it twice a week to improve the texture and minimize pigmentation that acne breakouts have left behind. I also like the texture of this mask. It is almost like a scrub cum mask because it has those coffee granules which you can massage your skin while washing it off, and it will remove the dead cells from the skin and skin feels really smooth. This face mask is suitable for all skin types. It is a vegan product and has not been tested on animals. Now continuing with the coffee theme, I then move on to St.Botanica's Colombian Supremo Coffee Body Scrub. It gently exfoliates, cleanses and nourishes my body. I have extremely dry skin and it tends to get flaky. This body scrub removes dead cells, restores the oil mantle and helps to soften the dry and rough areas of the body. The antioxidant activities of the vitamins and botanical extracts help in reducing skin damage due to exposure to pollution and sunlight and restore the skin to its healthier state. This is again a vegan and cruelty-free product. So St.Botanica products are free from mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, silicone and sulfates. St.Botanica is a part of PETA's Beauty Without Bunnies program and its products are not tested on animals. Now Ginny is up and I'm preparing her breakfast. So she also likes Aloo Ka Paratha. Good morning. Smile kar do. So this is my very basic everyday routine. So now that we are done with breakfast and everything, I will take some rest, like an hour break or something, and then I'll start preparing for lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my very simple morning routine. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Do not forget to buy these products from the link in the description box below.